Hi guys, I am really excited to present to you this next iteration on your 3D model based on the redesigned floor plan. So brand new floor plan, brand new site plan, brand new 3D model as well. And I haven't completely started over from scratch. You'll see a lot of familiar materials and detailing decisions, but I have taken this as an opportunity to simplify the design. I know that we were reducing the square footages on the home to uh, lend ourselves to a more simplistic maintenance of the home over the years. And so I've taken that into account as I've redesigned the 3D model here, starting first and foremost with the roof plan. And so this is a very clean, very simple roof plan. I'm very happy with it. We have a main cross gable that, like the previous design, continues from the front porch all the way through to the back of the home and ties this foyer and great room space together. And then outside of that, it's a pretty simple hip roof design all the way around. Um, but let's experience that down at the eye level. And I hope you guys feel as excited about this as I do. I feel like this has really retained the original design's spirit, and to me just feels very, very successful. The biggest change, of course, is this big front-facing garage door. But outside of that, we still have the same porch detail, central porch detail that we had before, where we come in here and we can see the vaulted windows at the vaulted ceiling continuing through the foyer and into the great room beyond. But standing in this space, we've also got this large opening, which when we look out through the open door or through these windows when we're coming to the front door, we get a real spectacular triangular window and a peek into the street vegetation and the really beautiful hills. And then adjacent to this front entry feature, we have a bedroom and a bathroom and another bedroom and another bathroom. But I feel like I've articulated this really well, and there's this really nice rhythm. And the material changes are rather simplistic. I haven't, like I did maybe in the past, articulate every change of corner with the new material. In this case, we're mostly sticking with this light green vertical siding, and then we're having a few highlights of the shingle siding material. But as we turn the corner for your son's bathroom, and we see the back wall of your master bathroom, we're seeing some equipment here, HVAC units and a backup generator. And then we're seeing the back half here of the master suite. So windows at the tub, a door directly into the bathroom, a door into the bedroom, and then corner windows at this porch area, corner windows on one side of the bed wall, and another window opposite, flanking the bed. And then that home office space right here, and the walk-in closet extension or annex area. We've got a corner window there, and I really like this. I really like especially the view from this side of the bed. Spectacular shot of both trees. Really fantastic. And from the office space, sitting at this corner window, both trees again. Really happy about that. Okay. Continuing past, we've got your daughter's bedroom here, a couple windows for her and her bathroom. And then we've got the corner window here at the family room, the little pop out here. And then I'm showing a pair of sliding glass doors at the dining room, great room area. And we're also seeing some skylights above because I don't want to cut off my view of the beautiful tree crowns you have. So I'm really happy to not see a covered patio over on this west side space. I think it's really going to help you feel much more connected to these trees, especially when you're sitting here at the head of the table looking at your fireplace. not having a big roof over here, you're really going to take in these trees. And even from back here at the island, more around here on the other side of the island, that's where these skylights really, really shine. We're seeing the metal roof seams. I haven't cleaned those up yet. Those wouldn't really be bisecting the skylights, but you can see the tree crown you're taking in through these three skylights here. But this is the best roof slope, I think, for solar panels. You know, this is your south facing roof slope, but it also faces the street, so I don't really want to put solar panels on the southern roof slope. West facing is another good choice, but this one here over your master suite is so close to this tree, I worry about shading. So I think this would probably be the better candidate roof spot for some west facing solar panels to live. But I think I've got a really cool idea here where we space these three skylights out. And we've got room for a panel in between, and then we fit three more on either side. I think this is pretty good. As we continue around, we've got corner windows with some vault or rake top windows happening above, flanking the fireplace, and leading to the other side of the fireside or the fireplace side of the dining room. I've got these two doors on either side to give you that quick, easy access from the outdoor kitchen to whomever might be hanging out in this patio space or out that patio table out there. And we're not seeing the ADU modeled up yet, but we'd have a really nice view of it from the kitchen sink. But you know, I want to get your guys' feedback on the main house. Now, I've designed the house right up to that 18-foot height limit that the city has above an average grade. And I've got, I think, what is a good roof design here. It's got a cricket here. This is a slightly flatter roof area. Still water would shed out of this roof area and down into this gutter and down a downspout here at the corner here. So I'm not worried about roof water getting out here. But I think that by keeping the home low profile like this, I do think that we can avoid public noticing altogether. And that might speed up our next round in with the city when we submit this revised design. So getting back to what we're seeing here, we've got two windows here at the kitchen. And these windows would be casement windows that can open out so that you can easily pass things to and from the main kitchen to this outdoor kitchen here. Got the grill here centered between the windows of the kitchen and the windows of the rec room. Sliding glass door here at the rec room. Doors flanking it, three big windows, so lots of natural light coming into this rec room space. And then we've got a side yard area here. Trash cans in this little recess. This is a door into the mudroom area. And then here along this side of the garage, maybe I'm overdoing it on the windows here, but I certainly would like you to have a lot of natural light in this garage. And I know I feel like we've been down this rabbit hole before. Certainly we can omit these windows. We don't need them. We don't need that many of them. Maybe 3 just feels a little too punched into me. I'd like to have the amount I was showing, but even if we have to get rid of them, it'd be okay. But again, I say let's have a series of high windows along here. There's still plenty of storage space down below these windows, but let there be a lot of light coming in this very large garage, very, very deep garage. Let that natural light come in and provide some natural illumination. Well, guys, I think that was a really quick tour around this house. Oh, one more thing. So in this garage, I would also say that in the porch, we might as well have some more borrowed light coming in. So from the garage, we'll have a window here that also allows light in through this really awesome covered porch. But I wouldn't do the same thing for your son's bedroom here at the side, although I could be convinced to add a window here. I think the 3 windows here are enough. No need to have a window on this wall, unless you guys like it. Okay, I'm going to send you some screenshots from this model as well, but I hope this walkthrough gives you a really clear sense of what I'm designing. And again, just to be clear here, this design is below this 18-foot height limit that triggers the public hearing notification. But I don't think we're sacrificing anything. If you recall, the previous design, which was larger in floor plan and scale, was taller, and I thought it warranted it. Here, I think we've got plenty of space. These walls, which nothing's perfectly modeled in here yet, but these walls in the great room take off from a little bit less than 10 feet tall and vault all the way up to a beam height here I'm showing of about 14 feet. So that's a lot of volume for this space. Okay, guys, again, looking forward to your feedback. Thank you so much.